Credit transfers, also often called exemptions, recognize your previous academic experience and provide credit for courses in your Algonquin College program. If you've taken a course at another college or university in the last 5 years and received a 63% or higher, you might be eligible to receive an external credit transfer. The first step of applying for an external credit transfer is to identify your basis course. A basis course is the course that you took at another college or university that you feel is equivalent to an Algonquin College course. You will also need a copy of the course outline or syllabus for your basis course saved as a PDF and a PDF copy of your transcript. Once you've identified your basis course and located your course outline and transcript, you're ready to apply for your credit transfer. To apply for an external credit transfer, first log into your ACSIS account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu of options. Scroll down to Courses and select Transfer of Credit or Exemption. Because my basis course was taken at a school other than Algonquin, I'm applying for an external exemption, so I'll select that option. This takes me to the first page of the exemption form. Your term, program code, and campus code should auto-populate, but just make sure they're correct before you click Next. The second page of the exemption form is separated into two sections. The top one is for information about the Algonquin College course you're seeking an exemption for. The bottom one is for information about your basis course, meaning the course you took at another school. Let's fill in the top part first. Select whether you're applying for an exemption of a core course or a general education elective course. Then select the course number. Again, this is the Algonquin College course that you're applying to have exempted. All core courses in your program will appear in the drop-down menu. Next, we'll fill in the bottom section of the form, where you'll enter information about your previous studies. Select your institution type and name. Next, enter the basis course number, meaning the course code for the course you took previously. You can find this information on the course outline for that course or on your transcript. You'll also need to enter the basis course name, which you can also find on the course outline or your transcript. Enter when the course was completed. You can use the calendar feature here or just type the date. Enter the number of hours in the course. This information should also be on your course outline or possibly on your transcript. Next, enter the grade you received in that course as indicated on your transcript. You can also indicate whether you'd like to automatically be withdrawn from the course if the exemption is granted. You can also include any additional information you might want to provide. For example, if you're using more than one course as a basis for your exemption application. In that case, you'd merge both course outlines into a single PDF, indicate one course as the basis course name and number, and state the other in the additional information section. Once you've completed the form, click Upload Document to get to the next page. Here, you'll be asked to upload your course outline and transcript in PDF format. Click Select to upload these files. If Algonquin College already has your transcript on file, for example, if you applied to an Algonquin College program through OCAS, you can indicate that here and not upload a transcript. This transcript would be your post-secondary transcript and not your high school transcript. If you are unsure, please upload an unofficial copy with your request. Once you've uploaded your documents, click Review and Pay. The screen will then display your exemption request. It's important to review all sections to ensure that they're correct. If you want to apply for another exemption at this time, you can do so by selecting Add Another Course. When you're ready to submit your application, click Pay and Submit All Records to submit your request. Select Proceed with Payment and enter your credit card information. Once you've completed this step, an email will be sent to you confirming that your application went through. It may take 2 to 4 weeks to hear back about whether or not your exemption was approved. You will receive the decision via email, so make sure to watch your inbox as well as your junk mail folder, just in case your email system filters it out. If the 2 to 4 week time period has passed and you have not received an email, please check your ACSIS account under the Credit Transfer or Exemption Pending tab to see if any updates have been made there. In the meantime, it's recommended that you continue attending your class in case your exemption is denied. Thanks for watching.